Hello everyone, Tifa here with Travel with Tifa. Welcome to part 2 of Viking Rhine River Cruise Tips and Tricks. I will leave the link to part 1 right up here. We left off in Heidelberg Palace. After seeing the palace above the town of Speyer, you can then enjoy the afternoon walking through the town. Speyer is home to another UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Romanesque Speyer Cathedral. After your stop in Speyer, your next stop is in Strasbourg, France. There's some great optional tours here: Mercedes-Benz factory tour, flavors of Alsace, along with the Alsatian wine tasting. The walking tour will take you to Strasbourg Cathedral, an amazing, beautiful Gothic cathedral with a very famous rosette window and an unbelievable astronomical clock. This clock dates from 1843, and this is actually the third clock on this site. We took the Alsatian wine tasting tour where we went to Robert Blanc Winery in Obernai. We got to see their vineyard and the barrel rooms where I found my new favorite wine, Gewurztraminer. Yes, this is a whole barrel full. We also got to do a wine tasting with some really great tasting wines. This is on our way back from the winery, crossing the bridge. The ship is actually docked in Germany, but we're just across the bridge in France. Our next stop is in Briesbach and the medieval village of Colmar and the Black Forest. There is an optional tour in Colmar in World War II, the museum and memorial. That tour was actually sold out when we went, so if that is of interest to you, be sure to go on your My Viking Journey online and sign up for that as soon as you are booked. After the Colmar tour, we chose the Black Forest option. It is a 30 to 40 minute bus ride to the Black Forest, and they'll stop for a photo op along the way in the hills. The Black Forest is a place to buy a cuckoo clock. They have many handcrafted clocks of all shapes and all sizes, and if you purchase one here, they will package it up and send it directly back to your home. They also have glass blowers on site and several different and let's say wacky options available for handmade glass. Back at the Longship, there is nightly entertainment that comes on board, and even a theme night with the staff. Entertainment starts after dinner. If you're in the mood, or if you just want to have a sit up on the sun deck and view the stars, you can do that too. You do not have to take the walking tours at the ports. You can wander around on your own. Viking will hand you a map with the location of the ship and information should you need help finding your way back. The staff goes above and beyond to make your cruise be something to be remembered. And they even helped us celebrate some special occasions. We had some really great people. Even the walking guides who were locals to each of the areas were so easy to talk to and ask questions. There are 68 locks from Budapest to Amsterdam, so you will be going through quite a few locks, most while you're sleeping, but you will be able to see at least 3 transitions. It is a tight squeeze, very interesting to watch. The canopies and wheelhouse are lowered, but you are still able to walk around up on the sun deck to see the whole transition. note about a tour I was not impressed with. In Koblenz, Rudensheim, there is a wine tasting and dinner at Eberbach Monastery. This was one of the more expensive optional tours and was one of the biggest disappointments for me personally. I was really excited to see the monastery and the grounds. A Sean Connery movie was filmed here, and only to find out it's a big empty event space for weddings and large functions. There's a wine cellar that holds empty wine barrels, but you still get a taste of Riesling there in the basement. Dinner is at a restaurant on site. It's very good, but it is a set menu. I would pass on this optional tour next time. River cruises do start booking about a year out, so planning a river cruise does take some doing. Catching a sail or booking through a company that will give you onboard credit is helpful. Check with your local AAA or your travel agent near you. It can mean up to $250 per cabin in onboard credit. Your onboard credit cannot be used towards your gratuities. And we end in Basel, Switzerland. This is where you would disembark and proceed to the airport for your return flight home. Or you could pick up the 2-night package to Lucerne with a beautiful rail ride. There is also a 3-night package to Lake Como that is available through Viking. Thanks for joining me, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.